Hello student, good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. In class 11 commerce, we are doing chapter financial statement. So first of all, starting the financial statement. Before starting the financial statement, I would like to tell you about the accounting cycle. What is the accounting cycle? Through accounting cycle, we can understand the purpose and the cycle of transaction that end on the preparation of the final account. So first of all, here given the entry of the find out the transaction that can be converted in the monetary form, that transaction are recorded in the books of account, which are in the nature of financial nature, that can be converted in the financial transaction, monetary transaction. Those transactions are first of all recorded in the books of journal entry, through journal entry in the books of original entry. Then after we make the ledger and classifying the ledger according to their nature. As you can say that sales transaction are recorded in the sales ledger and the purchases account are recorded in the purchase ledger. So and after that we balances the ledger. We balance the real account and the personal account through balancing the ledger. After balancing the ledger, we prepare the trial balance for checking the accuracy of the ledger, and finally we prepare the financial statement, final account, then the summary of the final account. Under the final account, we prepare trading account as well as profit and loss account and balance sheet also for checking the position as at the 31st March. At the given period of time, what is the balances and what is the position of the financial statement, what is the liabilities of the firm or the individual or the assets are at the end of the position. Okay. So here types of the financial statement. If we talk about the types of the financial statement, there are basically two types of the financial statement. One is the trading account, one is the trading and profit and loss account, and second was the balance sheet. Okay, what is the trading account? As you know, the trading account is prepared by the trading concern which are purchased the sales finished good. Those manufacturer or the traders who prepare the trading account that only involved in the business of sale and purchase of the finished good. They are not the manufacturing company. Those firms are only make the trading account which are involved in the making the just doing the business through the finished product, or you can say finished goods. To know the gross profit or the gross loss incurred by them from buying and the selling of the goods during the particular period of time, gross profit and the gross loss and the gross profit is the difference between the cost of goods sold and the proceed from their sales. Proceed, if the sale proceed is exceed the cost of goods sold, the gross profit is made, otherwise the gross loss is made. So what is the process of calculation of cost of goods sold? First of all, we take the opening stock and we added the purchases and we added the net purchase. Net purchase can be find out through, first of all we take the purchases and less the return purchase return, and then final amount put at the outer column, and then we take the goods available for sale. We get the goods available for sale. We added direct expenses here, and minus the less the closing stock, then we get the cost of goods sold. Okay, we can here add the opening stock, then add the purchase, net purchase, and add the direct expenses and less the closing stock. After that we get the cost of goods sold. Specimen pro forma of the trading account. What is the specimen pro forma of the trading account? Trading account pro forma is this. First of there is the 4 column. First is the particular, and second one is the amount, and in the debit side, and in the same figure, same is also in the credit side, particular and the amount. The item are given here. First of all, we take the opening stock, then purchases less return, direct expenses, carriage inward, wages and salary, fuel, coal and water, octroi. In the credit side we write sales minus return, closing stock. If the credit side is greater than the debit side, we get the gross profit here, that is the balancing figure, and if the debit side is more than the credit side, we get the gross loss, that is also the balancing figure of the debit balance and the credit balance. So those expenses are only written here in the debit side, which is the directly related to the trading account, or you can say the manufacturing of the product that basically involve for the manufacturing of the goods and for trading of the goods. Those expenses are only written here, and in the credit side only sales and sales return and closing stock are written. There are also some items that may be found in the trading account in the debit side. Here we can pay also the import duties, custom duties, excise duty, consumable stores, factory rents, rates, taxes, foreman and workman, works manager, salary, loyalty on manufacturing. These figures are also may be written on the debit side of the trading account as per the requirement of the question. So here I explain you about the trading account and what is the pro forma of the trading account. So after this video we will be able to understand about the trading account. So okay student, in the next video we will discuss about the profit and loss account. Okay, good day.